Hi guys! At dahil wala pa tayong schedule for slingshot tournaments, medyo hahanap muna tayo ng bagong activity. So, samahan nyo ako!
Umpisa na natin.
Alright, welcome back to my channel. Dahil nga walang masyadong tournament this year sa slingshot, kailangan pa rin nating maging active kahit paano. Alam nyo na, hindi na bumabata ang tatay nyo at medyo limited ang galaw dahil sa ating mga joint pains. Kaya, mas need ko ngayong mag-exercise. So, siguro naman alam nyo na to kung saan. So dito tayo ngayon sa Benel Archery. Try natin kung kakayanin natin. Pasok tayo ngayon. Pagdating ko dun, pagod na ako. Sakit yung ito.
3 floors later.
So, archery. Ito ang ating susubukang sport ngayon. Actually, na-try ko na ito before. Pero once lang yon, kaya naman this time, susubukan natin ulit. Kasama ko ang anak kong babae na medyo camera shy pa eh. Pero she's very excited about trying archery simula nung napanood niya kasi yung Disney film na Brave.
Ito sir, 18 pounds yung papagamit ko po sa inyo. Sa ngayon, 18. Pag gusto nyo medyo mabigat-bigat, pag kaya naman, pagamit ko sa inyo yung 20.
Sige.
So dito sa range namin, so sa Benel Archery, so dito sa range namin, ito po yung equipment lane. So yan, yung guhit na yan, yan nakalagay yung mga bow natin. So may bow stand. Pag mag-shoot na kayo, dito naman tayo sa shooting lane. So yung shooting lane namin dito sa yung target. So bawat isa sa inyo, merong assigned target. Okay? May target paper na yan.
Oops! Maraming mga tips na binigay sa amin. Pero syempre, para mas maintindihan or mas matuto tayo ng archery, I suggest na pumunta kayo dito for a better experience. But, here are some tips na shinare niya sa amin. Basically, ang shinare niya is the fundamentals, which consist of the following. Unang-una is stance, and then yung knocking, no? After the knocking, hook and grip naman ang in-explain niya. Then, how to set up and drawing. Also, diniscuss niya ang anchoring, loading, aiming, and release. And, ang pinaka-importante is yung follow-through. Anyway, as I have said previously, mas maganda pumunta kayo dito sa Benel to experience first-hand yung mga sinabi kong fundamentals.
Okay, so ngayon sir, may rules tayo sa archery, siyempre dalawang rules. Unang-una, importante ito sa ratio. Pag walang arrows yung bow, huwag niyong hilain yung string. For example, wala siyang arrow, hindi hila nyo. Bawal. Kasi may possible pwede siyang mabitawan eh. Pag nabitawan nyo yan, magkukos yan, mababali yung pana. Or masisira, makatrack, mapapfracture, maraming pwedeng mangyari. So kaya siya bawal. Okay? Pangalawa naman, dahil dalawa kayo nagsushoot, mamaya may magsushoot pa dyan kung meron darating. So pag natapos kayo, 6 arrows kada round. Naubos nyo lahat, ishoot yung 6 arrows, baba nyo yung bow din, kung may nagsushoot pa doon, hintayin nyo muna matapos, sabay-sabay kayong mag-i-retrieve ng arrows for safety. Para, kasi mamaya may tumitira doon, kumuha ka ng arrows. Delikado. Okay? I-guide naman namin kayo habang nagsushoot kayo, hanggang sa makuha nyo lang.
I'm making plays, y'all know where to find me, you be looking center stage 24/7, we ain't never taking breaks. Got a lot to learn, think you better know the game. Yeah, y'all don't like the match, finally got the belt, now I think I'll give it back. And 24/7 grind, put me on the map. I think you probably should try to study how I move, that's a fact. Yeah, y'all don't like the match, I got the belt and I ain't gonna give it back. Yeah, y'all like the match, I got the belt and I ain't gonna give it back. I'm making play. And I can do this all day, you know I'm making play. Bank. Yeah, they call me Showtime, y'all know who to thank. Got the pressure on, gotta do this real big, no thing. I'ma get it done, what do y'all think? Yeah, I'm making plays, y'all know where to find me, you be looking center stage 24/7, we ain't never taking breaks. Got a lot to learn, think you better know the game, 'cause I've been making plays.
Importante talaga fundamentals. Mahirap pero enjoy. Thank you Coach Julius Bautista and Coach Manny Caballero sa knowledge na itinuro nyo sa amin ng bunso ko. Nag-enjoy kami at siguradong babalik kami. So, that's it for today's video. If you like my presentation, please click on the like button and share nyo na rin po. What are you waiting for, guys? Subscribe and click on the bell icon for notification. Thank you!